Huwag niyo pong hayaang maging detective ang mga partners niyo. There's nothing your spouse should not know about. Maging open ka, transparent, accessible, and reachable at all times. Para na rin hindi ka pinagdududahan. Dapat nandun ka kung saan mo sinabing nandun ka. Kung may binabala kang gusto mong gawin na hindi magiging komportable ang partner mo, huwag mong gawin. Kung may mga relasyon ka na hindi alam ng partner mo, then you should not have that relationship. If you have anything on your phone na ayaw mong makita ng partner mo, dapat wala yun sa telepono mo. If you receive text or calls na ayaw mong marinig ng partner mo, then that number should be blocked from your phone. Block mo. There's no room for secrets in a relationship. Transparency is the foundation on which deep intimacy is built. Bawal ang mga sekreto kung ayaw mo ng sakit sa ulo.